Technology on tap for investors today. Facebook setting the bar high last night after reporting a milestone of 2 billion monthly active users. Shares of Twitter plunging today after the company failed to boost its monthly audience. Meanwhile, Amazon set to report results after the bell tonight. Chief Executive Jeff Bezos already has reason to celebrate. He became the richest man in the world an hour ago, according to Bloomberg. For more, let's bring in Bloomberg's Caroline Hyde. And if you're long Facebook, you've got reason to celebrate today. Shares up by 6% to a new record high.
Phenomenal. This company is unstoppable. As JP Morgan says, it's got scale, it's got growth, and it's got profitability. You saw it, 2 billion. The number's mind-boggling that you get in those people logging on every single month. But they've got the same sort of growth there of 17% in daily active users. 1.3 billion checking their Facebook account every single day. Revenue, great guns, up 45%. Earnings per share up 69%. And the growth drivers are still evident for many an analyst who's out there saying, look, Instagram's going to be helping, video's going to be helping. But notably, they're also going to start monetizing significantly the likes of Messenger, the likes of WhatsApp. There is still firing in all furnaces. This is a company, Mark, that has 41 buys, 4 holds, just 1 sell. SocGen, do tell. Why?
Yeah, I know you'll be bothering that analyst going, why are you a sell? I mean, Twitter's a different story. If only 2 billion, that's a dream, isn't it? It's stuck. Its monthly users are stuck, and it's heavily reflected in the stock prices.
Stuck on 328 million. And while JP Morgan says Facebook's got growth, it's got profitability, and it's got scale, these are the 3 things that basically Twitter doesn't have right now. It's not profitable. The growth is lackluster. In fact, we saw no growth in terms of monthly active users quarter on quarter at 328. In fact, they lost users in the US with a tweeter-in-chief. How on earth are they losing? And Anthony Noto, the CFO, said he couldn't explain the causality of why they're seeing fewer members, fewer log-ons every single month in the US. Interestingly, daily, you're getting more addicts. That was up about 12%. And there are a few rays of light in terms of those sorts of areas. But the second half doesn't look pretty in terms of revenue, they're saying. And they took a hit in terms of their net income. There was a bigger loss. Why? Interestingly, they invested in a German startup, SoundCloud, which took them to, they had to write down the value of that investment by $55 million. They are trying to steady this ship, really, overall. They are trying to focus heavily on video. They're also trying to focus on great new partnerships. They're trying to focus on news, on sports. It's all about live content. It's going to take time and investment.